everyone, welcome to Swan channel. This video is based on how to make mark sheet in Excel. Subscribe to this channel, it is free of cost. Share to your friends and give the likes. Let us start with start button. Go to the Microsoft MS Office Excel sheet. Open the Excel sheet. Now it has already entered the marks for the class 10. It has been entered. The name of the students from A to E has been entered, and English marks, till the social science marks has been entered. Now we are going to start with the total. How to do the total? Then first is apply the is equal to sum. Use the shift and open the bracket. Now you have to select the marks of student A. Select the marks from English to social science. So you get, then you have to close the bracket. Give the enter symbol, you will get the total. Now what you are going to do? You keep it on there and you get the plus symbol, scroll down, you get the answer for rest of the students. Then next is equal to, use the shift, open the bracket, then you have to select the marks again for the student A from English to social science and close the bracket, give the enter symbol, you get the, once again we will do, it's very easy only, is equal to, and is equal to, you have to take average, okay, then open the bracket and start from English mark 2 and you have to go for the social science mark, close the bracket, give the enter, you get the average, right? Now the plus symbol will be there, so scroll down, you will get the answer. Then again similarly minimum is equal to, take minimum, use the shift and then open the bracket, select the marks. Always when you are doing, select the marks from English to social science and then close the bracket, give the enter symbol. Then you keep it on that, you get a plus. Later we will do, then we will go for the maximum is equal to maximum, use the shift and then open the bracket, then select the marks from English to social science and close the bracket, give the enter symbol, you get the marks. Now let us come to the minimum, you will get that plus symbol, right? So scroll down, you get the answer. Similarly we will go for maximum marks, you get the plus symbol, right? Scroll down, you get the maximum marks. Let us go for the result. Now in result part you must be doing very carefully. Is equal to, if use the shift, open the bracket and use the shift, open the bracket and then you have to select the English mark first and you have to use the greater symbol, then you have to put is equal to, then 35 is the marks we have given, 35 is the minimum marks we have given. Then again next is we have to go for the language mark selection, then again you have to use is equal to, then next is 35 marks, you have to enter it, then put the comma, then you have to go for the max mark selection, then you have to take a greater symbol is equal to 35 marks, comma, then you have to go for the science mark selection, then you have to use the greater symbol is equal to 35 marks, put a comma, then again you have to go for the social mark selection, then you have to go for the greater symbol is equal to 35 marks, then you have to close the bracket, then put a comma symbol, then open the quotation and type pass and close the quotation, then put a comma, then again open the quotation, then put the fail, then close the quotation, then close the bracket, give the enter symbol, so you get the net result as a fail. Since it is less than 35 marks, so the student A has failed. Now you bring it the cursor here, use the plus symbol, you get the rest of the result. Then go for the rank is equal to rank, open the bracket, go for the total now, select the total and put a comma, then select the total of A first and select the total of all the students and put a closing bracket, give the enter. Once again we will be doing and is equal to and we are going to use a rank. Okay, then open the bracket. Then next is take the total, use the shift and select the total, then put a comma and then put a comma. Then next you have to go for the total for student A to E. Now close the bracket. Now close the bracket, you get the enter, put a enter, you get the result, a rank, very good. Next is you take the, you go to the command side, then you have that J3 and J3 here you have there, you just keep the cursor there and use the dollar symbol, use the shift and dollar symbol and give the enter. And let us go for the rank again, and we are going to do the plus symbol as given right here. You get a plus symbol, scroll down, you get the rank for the rest of the students. So this is how to prepare the mark sheet for the Excel. Now thank you for watching this video. In further videos we will be doing tally package as well as the word and further things. Thank you very much for watching this video.